Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Broadlink RM Mini free and I'm going to tell you how you can easily add a routine. At first we have to enter the routine here and now we have to tap add routine. Here we can enter our routine name, for example hard reset. Now we can go back and now here we have the when event triggers from. Tap or add event. Let's tap on that and here we have the when event triggers from. At specified time, weather changes, weather keeps in certain state, device operated, device kept in a certain state, cycled event. We can for example click cycled event and here we have the cycle interval. You can set 60 minutes or the 30 minutes. In the portion that we have cycle days, we can tap on that and we can select every day, weekdays, weekends or customize. Using the customize we can select the days that we want to add to the cycle. Then OK and OK here. Here now we have do actions. We can tap on that to add action. Here we can control certain device, activate a scene or push notification phone. So for example we can control certain device. Here we have our virtual button from our kitchen, which is online now, and start operation. We have to just tap on our button. Here we have other conditions, optional, which is optional. Here we have the during specified period, whether keeps certain condition, or device keeps certain condition. For example, we can tap that here, now, here. Here we can choose group for morning, away, home, sleep, or something like that. Oh god. I will add it to home, save. And now we can click save. And this is our hard reset routine. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.